This boy is trying to study, but everything keeps distracting him. I wonder why.
Great question. The mind can feel like a room with too many lights turned on at once, noise, thoughts, and notifications all competing. Today we will explore why the brain jumps from thing to thing, what causes attention leaks, and how to bring the spotlight back to the one thing that matters. By the end, you will learn one simple trick to stay focused even when everything feels louder than your thoughts.
So, what does that actually mean?
Focus is the brain's ability to point its spotlight at one task while dimming everything else. In science, this is called selective attention, the brain choosing what matters most right now. When kids feel distracted, it does not mean they're lazy, it means the spotlight is jumping too quickly. The good news is that attention can be trained just like a muscle.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Absolutely, the brain changes from tiny habits. The prefrontal cortex controls focus the same way a coach leads a team. The amygdala can pull attention away when emotions feel loud, and dopamine can shift your motivation toward quick rewards. Training focus builds stronger circuits that keep you steady even when the world feels busy.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, you might start homework and suddenly feel the urge to check messages or think about unrelated things. In friendships, distractions can make you forget what someone said or miss important details. At home, screens, noise, or food cravings can pull you away from goals because the brain seeks quick dopamine rewards. These small slips add up when they happen all day.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small choices build your long-term focus. Every time you practice returning your attention to one thing, you strengthen the brain's spotlight, the way tiny drops fill a bucket. Choosing one moment of calm over chaos becomes a chain reaction where your focus gets stronger each day. It is like tending a garden, every small pull of a weed helps everything grow.
So, how do I start?
Use the 1-minute reset. Step 1. Remove one distraction by putting the object or tab out of sight. Step 2. Breathe slowly so the amygdala calms and the prefrontal cortex takes charge again. Step 3. Choose one tiny task and do it for 60 seconds, letting dopamine reward the effort. This micro-focus is the fastest way to reboot your attention.
What should we do today?
Your challenge is simple, choose one task and do the 1-minute reset. Just 1 minute of pure attention without switching. Afterwards tell us in the comments the word focused if you felt even 1 second of calm. If this helps you grow, join the Growth Lab family so we can train your brain together. Remember, focus is not something you magically have, it is something you train every day. Tiny steps shape your neural circuits and make your mind stronger. When you return your attention again and again, you build a brain that stays steady in a loud world.
See you in the next episode.